Ixora chinensis, a guide to the vibrant flowering shrub. Hi everyone, Ferb Vu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Ixora chinensis, a stunning flowering shrub that brings a touch of the tropics to any garden. Here, I'll answer all your burning questions about this beauty, from its basic characteristics to care tips and beyond. See more 556 species in genus Ixora at monsteraholic.com. What is Ixora chinensis? Ixora chinensis, also known as the Chinese Ixora, is a flowering shrub belonging to the Rubiaceae family. Native to Southeast Asia, this plant boasts vibrant clusters of blooms in shades of red, orange, and yellow. It's a popular choice for gardens in warm climates, adored for its long blooming season and glossy evergreen foliage. How to care for Ixora chinensis? Thriving Ixora chinensis requires a bit of love and attention, but the rewards are well worth it. Here's what you need to know. Light: Ixora prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves, while insufficient light will lead to leggy growth and fewer blooms. Water: consistent watering is key. Aim for moist but well-draining soil, allowing the top inch to dry slightly before watering again. Avoid soggy conditions, which can lead to root rot. Soil: opt for a rich, well-draining potting mix. You can add perlite or sand to improve drainage if needed. A slightly acidic soil pH, around 6.0 to 6.5, is ideal. Fertilizer: feed your Ixora during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength. Apply it every 2 to 4 weeks. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can cause salt buildup and damage the plant. Temperature: Ixora thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost and cold drafts. Pruning: regular pruning encourages bushier growth and more blooms. Prune lightly after flowering to remove spent blooms and maintain a desired shape. Remove any dead or diseased branches as well. How to propagate Ixora chinensis? Propagating Ixora chinensis is a rewarding way to expand your collection or share this beauty with friends. Here are 2 common methods. Stem cuttings: take stem cuttings around 4 to 6 inches long from non-flowering branches during the growing season. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone. Plant the cutting in a pot with a well-draining potting mix, water it thoroughly, and cover it with a plastic bag to maintain humidity. Place the pot in bright, indirect sunlight and keep the soil moist. Rooting should occur within a few weeks. Air layering: this method involves partially girdling a stem on the parent plant, applying rooting hormone, and wrapping the area with moist sphagnum moss. Once roots develop, you can cut the stem below the roots and pot it up as a new plant. What to plant with Ixora chinensis? Ixora chinensis pairs beautifully with other plants that share similar light and moisture requirements. Here are some ideas. Crotons: their colorful foliage creates a stunning contrast with Ixora's blooms. Gardenias: both plants enjoy acidic soil and produce fragrant flowers. Hibiscus: another vibrant bloomer that thrives in warm climates. Ferns: their delicate texture adds a touch of softness to the composition. Bromeliads: their unique forms and colors add a touch of the exotic. By choosing complementary plants, you can create a visually appealing and thriving garden bed. Bonus tip: if you live in a colder climate, you can grow Ixora chinensis as a container plant and bring it indoors during the winter months. Place it in a sunny location and water it sparingly. With a little care and attention, Ixora chinensis will reward you with a dazzling display of blooms throughout the season. So, why not add this vibrant shrub to your garden and enjoy its tropical charm?